New Orleans is really known for its food, and we show people here not only how to make the food, how to enjoy the food, but how the food was developed here.
I'm Suzanne Layton.
And I'm Greg Layton.
And we're the owners of the New Orleans School of Cooking, a family-owned business located in the French Quarter of New Orleans.
The New Orleans School of Cooking was founded by Joe Kahn over 40 years ago. Its success over all these years has been in continuing to serve the purpose that he established it for initially, which was let people have an authentic New Orleans experience. And the reason we're still around today is because we've stayed true to the founding principles of the business, sharing the fun, food, and folklore of New Orleans with the world, literally.
New Orleans is like a melting pot. We have so many different cultures that come together, and I guess that's what we might even call it gumbo and different things that you might hear that referred to. But when you come and take a cooking class with us, the experience just isn't the delicious food. It's from walking through the front door, meeting our sales staff, to the encounters with the chef or the gentleman that pours your beer, and you will see visiting here the dynamics of it, because this is what's so important in a community is everyone's different cultures and their backgrounds and coming together. And we do this by coming together over food and cooking and eating. Food is the center of community. And we believe that having this experience at the New Orleans School of Cooking, that it gives people a love for cooking again.
There are a couple of unique New Orleans expressions. One is passing a good time, and another is sharing around the table. And both of those things are what we do here on a daily basis with literally hundreds of thousands of people from around the world. We all pass a good time and we share around the table.
We're especially proud of our Louisiana general store. We carry a great line of products, a lot of local products, farmers market products, and our very own spice blend. We've also evolved our cooking classes. We have a demonstration cooking class. We also do a hands-on cooking class where you can stand at your own cooktop and stir the pot and enjoy a meal sitting down with the chef. And we also do Zoom classes for those of you who can't come to visit us.
The New Orleans School of Cooking is really an experience. One of the nicest recognitions that we've had here at the school was our ranking by TripAdvisor as the #2 experience in the United States.
So we invite you to come visit us at the New Orleans School of Cooking, where we share the fun, food, and folklore of New Orleans with the world.